Frankie from Seriously Smart Technologies. We are the sales representative for Mandalay Ltd. In the United States. Today we're going to show you an unboxing of the SCIO biofeedback system. So let's get right into it and open up the package. So we've already taken it out of the cardboard box, as you can tell, and it comes in a nice blue hand carrying case. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So first we have the SCIO biofeedback device. Go ahead and take this out of the package. And this is the head harness. Next we have the limb harness. Which comes in two pieces. You have the wires and the conductive rubber electrodes. A new USB cable. And last but not least, you want to make sure you search around inside for this small USB flash drive, because this contains your software. So without opening the bag, I have another USB cable to show you how they're connected. On the back of the SCIO device, let's move that all out of the way. On the back of the SCIO device, you'll notice here is the USB port. It's marked USB. And you see the little white wafer board is at the top of the port. So you want to make sure that on the bottom of the USB cable, the white wafer board is on the bottom. So you plug it in the right direction. It's a tight fit because it's a brand new port. And then this end goes directly to the USB cable or the USB port on your computer. Hopefully you have a USB 2.0 port on your laptop. What I like to do is I like to take off this piece and put it back on the cable so that you have a way to wrap your cable up nicely as you travel. And this cable gets plugged in, and you can see there's only one way to plug it in. It goes with it's a 9-pin cable, so there's 5 pins on the top and 4 on the bottom. Match it up here accordingly, and it says head, so you want to plug it in with the longer side or the 5 pins across the bottom. So now your head harness is connected, and the 8 electrodes that you see inside the harness go against the forehead. So you unhook it and you take the 8 electrodes and you place it on the forehead like so. Actually, the cable should be going down the right side. Now the limb harness is wrapped together with the Velcro, and I like to do the same thing. I take the Velcro off and I'll put it on here like this, so I have a nice way to wrap up my cord. And then you can wrap your whole assembly up like this. And the same thing on this connector. There are 5 pins on one side and 4 on the other. So you attach it accordingly. The 5 pins match up to the 5 pins here, like this. And now your limb harness wire assembly is attached. On your limb harness straps or electrodes, you have a piece here that can swivel. It is actually a snap. However, we recommend that you just keep this piece on the snap and install and remove the color-coded connector this way instead of taking the snaps off. You will have an easier time connecting them this way and less damage done here if you use it by pulling the banana port loose. And you do that with each connector so that red is connected to red, yellow is connected to yellow, and so on. Okay, now how does the limb harness connect to the wrist and to the body? So what I'd like to do is I put the strap through this way, then put it on the body, and then slide the second piece through like so until it's tight. We'll discuss this USB flash drive. The round end just unscrews off the USB drive, and then you plug that into your USB port on your computer, and it contains the software and other valuable documents. Well, that's all there is to the unboxing of the SCIO biofeedback system, and we hope this was helpful for you, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.